It's 2021, and it's about time for me to get my life together. By the end of 2020, my room looked like this. Absolute trash. After 2 days worth of cleaning and decorating, I transformed it into this, an actual living space. I also worked out and got my life together along the way. All of this couldn't have been done without coffee. So, first things first, coffee. Coffee, I'm going to watch a few YouTube videos and just chill for a little bit before I completely deep clean my room. So I lit a candle, I got myself some water, and now I need to do the tasks that I've been putting off for a really long time. Honestly, cleaning my room. My room got so messy this past month just because I was never home. I went to school, I went to work right after school, and then sometimes I would have cheer practice. So like, I was never home and it really just collected. This is the before my room. I'm so embarrassed to show you guys this because it's really bad. I have like clothes everywhere. I'm gonna put on a huge time lapse. I know that cleaning videos can be so motivating for people, but it can also be so boring for other people. So if this bores you, just skip to where I'm not like doing a time lapse of me cleaning. But I know that a lot of people enjoy this. So I'm gonna put it in, just a huge time lapse of me cleaning my room. Let's get into it. So I was in the middle of cleaning my room. Excuse my dirty mirror, we're gonna get to that in a little bit. And then I realized I literally never got dressed for the day. I'm still in sweatpants. So I'm gonna change real fast. I love that girl. Okay. I've gotten some of my floor done. We're getting progress. I'm going to take all the ornaments off of my Christmas tree, and then I'm also going to take down all of my Christmas decorations. So sad that Christmas is over. It went by so fast, it was crazy, and Christmas is my favorite season. It's my favorite holiday, favorite time of the year, and I just love it. So this is so sad to me that I have to take down all of my Christmas decorations. I felt like it just went by in the blink of an eye, but I know that it needs to get done.
Only tell me what you think I wanna hear. You're only riding shotgun cause you know I fit in. Be lonely, but I'm alone when I'm with you. Yeah, I'm alone when I'm with you. With you, with you. Yeah, I'm alone when I'm with you. With
Okay, I think my hair needs to be in a messy bun. That is not the cutest look, but it's what we're working with. The time is 3:06, and I've been at this since this morning. So obviously I've taken breaks here and there, but I had to completely just go through different things, clean off my floor. Oh my gosh, my nail broke. I'm going to try to slide my tree out into the hall. I have this hoverboard from like 2015, and I don't know where to put it. It's just there. I'm going to sweep this whole room, and then we're going to start on the surfaces. I need to clean off my desk, just dust down my bookshelf, and clean my mirror. The next day, obviously, I'm gonna be decorating today, but I need to run to Target before that because there's a few things that I just need to get for my room. gosh, it's so cold. So we just got out of Target and I'm gonna give you guys a little haul when I get home along with me decorating everything, and I'm so excited. But first things first, I need a little coffee.
Hey, welcome to Starbucks.
A venti iced latte with 4 pumps of chai, and then can I also have vanilla sweet cream cold foam on top, please?
Absolutely.
Let's try it. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I just got back from Target because there's a few things that I needed to decorate my room with, but you guys know how Target is. I got more than what I needed, so I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of everything I got. Honestly, only one thing that I needed, and it was vase fillers for these vases that I have. And I got these 2 eucalyptus ones, and then my mom got this drapey one, and there was only one left, and we both wanted it, so I'm gonna let her use it, but I'm going to decorate with it today so that I can see if I like it in the vase that I'm gonna put it in. I got dry shampoo. I got this water bottle that I've been seeing like all the other YouTubers rave about. Then I just got this basic long sleeve brown shirt. And then I also just got this tie-dye like long sleeve crew neck type shirt. Once spring gets closer, I'm gonna go to a plant nursery and fill it with a bunch of like drapey plants and stuff. I went ahead and hung up my pictures. These pictures above my bed are from Hobby Lobby, and then this throw is from Target. I'm pretty sure all of these pillows are from Target. I'm not sure about these 2, but if I had to guess, they're from Target. These 2 are from Target. This is from Target. And this throw is also from Target. Now it is time to conquer this. Day 3 of me trying to get my life together. I keep saying that I'm gonna start working out daily, and honestly, it hasn't happened yet, but today, we're working out. Okay, so I worked out. It was actually really hard. Most people make like protein shakes or something healthy after they work out. I made an iced coffee because it is a few days later, and I just kind of wanted to end this video by saying some of the healthy habits that I have accumulated over the last couple of days, and I kind of just wrote them all down right here. So, one thing that I do to maintain a clean room, oh my gosh, everything's falling. I have been setting a timer for 5 minutes before bed every night, and I just use those 5 minutes to clean. This can be 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and it can fluctuate throughout each day. It's really whatever you guys want. I find 5 minutes every night just works best for me because there's not much of a mess. It's just kind of the mess that I made when getting ready in the morning. I read for a little bit before bed every night. This is only because I would get on my phone, let's be honest, I scrolled through TikTok or I watched YouTube videos, and then I stayed up way too late. I found that when I read before going to bed rather than getting on my phone, I get tired quicker, and it's just a lot more relaxing to me personally. Another healthy habit, and this one is such an obvious one that everyone should already be doing, is drink lots of water. When I go to school, I'm always drinking water, but on the weekends when I'm like not at school, I don't always have my water bottle with me, and I'm not always drinking water. So that's why I bought that one water bottle from Target that has the times. That has been keeping me on track. And that is all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, make sure that you guys like and subscribe. You're a real one for sticking out to the end. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Only tell me what you think I wanna hear. You're only riding shotgun.